But then for people that are MSL already, they have to think about the actual biotech company that they have and whether it fits into their career goals and things like that, because that's part of what you stated in your book. So my question is, what are the little tips you can give us, especially for people that are also joining, so that they can know whether they are in the right company for them, or they have to start thinking about moving into a different company that is better fitted for their goals?
Yeah, it's a very personal decision, and only you'll ever know for yourself. And sometimes you won't know if you made the right decision or not. You have to just go with those with your gut. But for me, I think my first piece of advice is don't run away. Just because things might not feel perfect at the company that you are in doesn't mean it can't be improved. Like, do the self reflection. What can I change about me and how I'm approaching the role? Do I need to get more skills? Do I need to talk to and connect with other people within the organization so that I can feel more comfortable, feel more connected, get better? I will tell you, first couple months as an MSL are very strange because you're trying to figure out what this new job is. You just need to sort through a lot of things. So have a lot of patience with wherever you are. But always, I like to keep, a filter, reality filter. Like, how am I doing? What's on me, and what is this? What is it? The company. So that's the first piece of advice. Is maybe you just need to dig into where you are and dig into your personal growth. And then the other piece is maybe there are people within your organization doing a role that's not an MSL, but something that you would like to do. So that's where I also talk about like building your network within the company, meeting people virtually, in person, and just asking, hey, how did you get into this role? Why do you like it? What would you recommend someone who was thinking about coming into it? What do they need to do? And you may discover that maybe MSLing isn't your favorite role, and maybe there's something else you can do. So I think there's also that as well. And then also, keep an open mind, build your network, learn about other companies, and also think about where you are in your personal life. I think there are times where people really can um, thrive in a teeny tiny organization where you get to learn all the things, but there's a lot of exposure and you have almost no ability um, to hide, right? In a bigger organizations, not that I'm ever recommending hiding, but there's just a different level of when you're one of three people, everything is on fire all the time. Versus if you come into an established territory and it's things that are just going on, you're not launching a product, it's a different life cycle. Sometimes people with new children or whatever their life looks like, that's a better fit. They can still bring their best self to that job, it's just a different level of exposure. So, I think you have to do a lot of personal reflection. And I think that's probably what is a theme throughout the whole book is take the time to think about yourself, think about your
Mhm.
needs, and just continue to re-explore.